Hey, what's up guys? In my description there will be a link in where to buy. Basically a screen protector for a Galaxy S10 Plus. These are the specs. In the back side is the instruction on how to put the screen on. These are two-piece. You get two of these, which it has the things you need to put it together. As you can see, is a micro wipe. You have these things just in case you have dust in the screen, you can clean it. And these are guy stickers, and it has alcohol prep pad to wipe down the screen. And this is the screen protector. It is a tempered glass, and it comes with two. As you can see, it has the fingerprint right there, the edges, and it's very hard. It's nice. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to apply the screen protector to your phone. First of all, I'm going to take this off. This is just one of those brand new phone screens. Okay, I am going to open up the alcohol pad and start wiping it. Make sure it's clean, make sure I don't have no sticky stuff, and just clean it. Okay, just like this. Like this. I like wiping it a lot. So these are the steps you're gonna do. Now you grab the micro wipe and just dry up the screen. I like to dry it up, make sure there's no fingerprints or anything like that. Just keep wiping until it has no sign of fingerprints or any type of glue. Hold it right. Like doing this, take some of the dust off. Okay, now I have this little sticker right here. And with this, I will fold it and I will start tapping it on the screen just to get all the dust particles. I got a little fingerprint here. Let me wipe it one more time. Try to not have no fingerprints on the screen. Okay. Still a fingerprint. Okay. Start tapping the screen, taking the dust particles off. Just like this. Keep doing until I see no dust particles. Make sure it's clean, because you don't want them under the screen. They will be very bad when you try to touch the screen. Okay, this is the screen. We'll take off this plastic right here, peel it right off. Once you peel it, you'll place it on the phone. Make sure it's lined up, as you can see, just like that. Line it up very good. Just push down. Keep pushing it, just like that. This is the fingerprint part. Try to get all the air bubbles you can out of it. And that is it. Do the edges, make sure it's good. As you can see, beautiful. It has the edge and everything. Love it. Well, in my description there will be a link in where to buy. Put it in the case and you're good to go. Awesome screen protectors for the Galaxy S10 Plus. I did order for a Note 10 Plus. It's coming soon. Beautiful. Look at that. Awesome. Well, like I said, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.